Welcome to the service clinic at Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. Well, I'm working on this early Sportster with a high-performance motor, and I'm installing the manifold and wanted to share a tech tip. It is very important you install the manifold correctly and that it matches the same angle as your heads. You install the manifold with all 4 bolts, but you leave them slightly loose so you can adjust this. Now, why is it important that you make this even with this? Because if you install this first and tighten down the bolts, then you reach over and put your air cleaner on here. The air cleaner can try to move the manifold because this is going to be solid and try to move the rubber pieces. Let me show you an example. If this goes in and you try to move the manifold, you're going to tear up or disturb the seal at the rubber here. And then when you install your CV carburetor, it's not going to be even, and you possibly will have an air leak down at the bottom. So the question is, how can I install this so I won't have this problem? Little simple purchase, a protractor. It's very easy. You find the protractor and you find something that is even with the whole motor. Now, you might have the motorcycle pulled with straps or on something on your bench or on your ground, so you want to make sure that you find a reference point where this is set up. I like to choose where the head is going to meet with the air cleaner bolts, and then I go in to the manifold and I try to match it. Once these two are matched, then I reach in and I tighten up 4 bolts. Now, the ideal situation, if you can do it, is to assemble your manifold, your EFI module, or your carburetor, and the air cleaner, have everything tight before you tighten the 4 bolts in there. Now, it's very hard, only with a gas tank off, but you use a real long ball Allen, reach in, and tighten the 2 Allens on this side of the motorcycle. The other side, it's real easy because the horn you've removed to get it out. But this is the hardest part, and it's really difficult to do with EFI modules because you have different sensors on the top. But it is the best way because everything is mounted and nothing's going to be moved. My choice is using the protractor. That way I know this is at the same as this, and then I can assemble at my leisure everything and nothing's going to be disturbed. I hope this helps you with your winter projects or your upgrades to your motorcycle and installing the EFI or the carburetors to a more performance point. I'm Doc Harley. We'll see you next week.